That's right. Well, the Crescent Township Volunteer Fire Department is no stranger to helping those impacted by tragedies. And next Tuesday, a group of firefighters, they will head to Mayfield, Kentucky. They're going to be bringing several of these trailers like the one you see right behind me, full of donations for people in need.
Well, that's just one of the trailers. We got two more that we'll be using. We might end up with a 53-foot box trailer.
As John Krager watched the Kentucky governor's wife plead for help on the news, the assistant fire chief says he knew his next move.
And I'm sitting there and I'm like, bam, whoop, it's it. We're going to do it.
Within 24 hours, Krager and his fellow firefighters organized a donation collection at the Crescent Township Volunteer Fire Department.
From the community, I wasn't doubting them. It's the people outside the community that is coming.
You name it, toiletries, canned goods, and lots of Christmas toys. Volunteers like Sisters Elizabeth and Christina spent the night packing supplies and loading them into trailers.
It feels really good knowing that you can help the other people and help them from their situation.
Yeah, and you should always be grateful for what you have, and you should accept that not everybody can have that. So you should definitely, whatever you have and you don't need or extra of, then you can always give back.
Krager says the support is overwhelming, something that he doesn't take for granted.
I lived here all my life, so I know a lot of these people, and I see them bringing 4, 5, 6 cases of water. I know they can't afford it, but they're doing it. That's what they do.
Krager says they are looking for more buckets, gloves, Christmas toys, and donations for Walmart gift cards. You can drop off all of these supplies from 8 in the morning until 6 at night, every day until December 19th. We are also volunteer firefighters from Hopewell Township as well as Independence Township are helping with these efforts. Reporting live tonight, Ashley Zilka, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.
Ashley, good people doing good things there. In Cranberry Township, Butler County, they're also helping victims of the tornadoes in the Midwest. They're partnering with Grace Community Church and other local agencies in a relief effort. A collection event is scheduled for tomorrow through Sunday, December 19th at Grace Community Church. Now that is at 9160 Marshall Road in Cranberry Township. Here are some of the things they need: tarps or plastic sheeting, flashlights and batteries, large Rubbermaid bins with lids, personal hygiene items, and baby care items too. Collection times are from 3 to 7 p.m. That's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and also from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Sunday there at the church. Tractor trailers will be leaving around 2 p.m. Sunday to start delivering those donations to Kentucky.